Hi, this is Liam from GIGABYTE Marketing, and today I've got something a lot of our customers have been anticipating, and that is our Ampere Ultra servers. These servers are perfect for the cloud and edge applications. Ampere built a new line of Ampere Ultra processors using ARM architecture, and they chose this architecture because of its efficient scaling, its high performance, and its high level of instructions. And today I want to introduce a little bit more about what is the Ampere Ultra processor, as well as what servers does GIGABYTE offer for it. And we will take a look at one model in particular, our G242, that focuses on heterogeneous computing. But before doing so, I want to give proof and an example of why ARM architecture is successful. The number one supercomputer is Fugaku, and it uses ARM cores, and they were chosen for its efficiency. Now, these ARM cores are also being used in our phones and tablets as well, and today we will see it in our new line of servers. At GIGABYTE, we know it is difficult trying to find a server to match everybody's needs. That's why we offer over 100 different models of servers for the latest generation of AMD, Intel, and Ampere chips. And for the new Ampere Ultra line of processors, we are announcing 4 new server models. The Edge server, E252 P30, which is a small form factor server. 2 general purpose rack servers, the 1U R152 P30 and R272 P30. Last, the GPU dense server, G242 P31, which we will look at today. Now I want to give a brief overview of the Ampere Ultra line of processors. Moving from x86 to ARM for the cloud is right with Ampere Ultra. Ampere specifically designed the chips targeting the cloud and edge. The new chips have all the features one would expect and want in 2021. PCI Gen 4, 100 plus PCIe lanes, 8-channel memory, support for 3200 DDR4, and so forth. We say that it has predictable performance because of the high core count, up to 80 cores, the large cache available, and the PCI Gen 4 for throughput. Second, it has scalability. Adding more 1U or 2U servers will be easy and needs less thanks to the high core count, giving Ampere a dense ratio of cores per rack. And there are single or dual socket options. Last is the power efficiency. For our high-end 250 watt range CPUs that have 40 or 64 cores, Ampere outnumbers them and does so with the same amount of power. Also, Ultra has advanced power management to adjust to workloads and improve TCO. Just recently, NVIDIA announced the first ARM server validated by NVIDIA to be used with NVIDIA GPUs. It has been dubbed NVIDIA ARM HPC Developer Kit, and it was done so in our G242 chassis. It uses our GIGABYTE G242 server and comes with 2 NVIDIA A100 cards and 2 Bluefield 2 cards for safe and efficient scaling. And more importantly, at the heart of it all, the 80-core Ampere Ultra processor. This dev kit has support for NVIDIA HPC SDK, which is a suite of GPU accelerated compilers and libraries for compute-intensive applications. Now for the specifics on the G242 P31 that we see here. It is a single socket system that supports all Ampere Ultra chips, up to 80 cores, and can accommodate 2 NVIDIA A100 cards and 2 Bluefield cards. For memory, 16 DIMMs. As this server is in the G series, it has a GPU focus and allows for heterogeneous components to perform well using C6 protocol and can accommodate 4 GPUs using dual redundant 1600 watt power supplies. Besides the GPU lanes, there are also expansion slots available for networking or storage. And in terms of storage, there are 4 SATA SAS drive bays, as well as 2 M.2 slots. Also, there's a depth of OS compatibility, from Red Hat to SUSE to Ubuntu and more. All in all, this server has predictable performance and displays the best in heterogeneous computing. Today, I hope I succeeded at educating you about our Ampere Ultra servers. And while we only saw single socket servers today, we do have some dual socket coming out in the future. For more information, visit us at gigabyte.com/enterprise, or you can email us directly at server.grp@gigabyte.com. Thank you.